In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to get your own very private server in Steal A Brainrot for free with no Robux required. So if you've been waiting or wanting some alone time in the game or just want to play without distractions, this method is perfect for you. First, I want to go ahead and open up the Roblox website and search for Steal A Brainrot. Then hit enter. Now make sure you are signed in too. So yeah, search for Steal A Brainrot, then come into here, then click onto Steal A Brainrot. Now, once this page opens, we want to go ahead and click onto the servers tab. Now, here's where it gets interesting. So if you want to go ahead and create a private server, it's going to cost you 79 Robux per month, which can add up if you're not looking to spend Robux, but there's a way around this. So what we want to do is scroll down, and where it says other servers, we want to go and make sure that is ascending, and we want to go ahead and exclude full servers. This way you won't waste time trying to join crowded servers. Now look for servers that only have one player in them. When you join these, if that player leaves, you essentially have that entire server to yourself completely free and saving your Robux. It's like having your own private game without spending a single Robux, and that's it. A super easy trick to enjoy a private server in Steal A Brainrot without paying anything. I hope this helps you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.